friends, I take out this motor. This is not the motor that came with the shaker. This is a different motor that I use for this one. And this motor is no good. So I'm gonna buy a new motor to replace it. I got this old motor. This is a 3 horsepower motor. We use it on a different pump. So I'm gonna take this out and then I'm gonna try to fix this on the shaker. I got this motor. This motor is a little wider, have a big ring. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark here and cut it straight. I cut this motor from both sides and now it's coming better within the specifications. The screw we used before is the Allen keys, but now which one I'm gonna use? This is a small one and I'm going to use this screw. Okay, so this is fixed. Now let's try to put it in the shaker. Okay, so as you see, this comes properly on holes. And here also. This is the reason why I cut this a little piece from here. Okay, so I tied this motor with these screw. I keep them loose. First I'm going to put the pulleys, the belt. Okay friends, so we fix the motor and even we put the wheel back. These are just a hand tight now, for now, hand tight. And on top we already put this one. So now going to, these are loose. We're gonna tighten them and then we're gonna start. So I put this one back and tied with these locks. So let's start and check how it works. Oh, it's working good. Making very less noise. It's ready. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.